everyone, and welcome to the Coast Community Mapping tutorial. This tutorial was created to walk members of our Coast team through the process of using this questionnaire for our community mapping exercises. So let's get started. This first page will ask you a few questions to identify yourself as a member of the team. The information you provide will only be used to mail your gift card for participating. This page explains that there are multiple tools at your disposal to mark up the maps: points, lines, and polygons, but you don't have to use all of them for each question. You can also search for a specific location by using the magnifying glass. And you will notice as you zoom in further, you will begin to see street names and other labels. But let's see an example. Here we have the first thing we want you to identify: places of value. As the description says, this is going to be value however you define it, from cemeteries to good fishing spots. You can move around the map by clicking and dragging, or you can zoom in and out with the plus and minus buttons on the right, or by double-clicking. So let's say you want to mark a single point as a place of value. I'll mark the Dulat Community Center as an example. Zoom into the location that you want and drop a pin. Drag that pin where you want it. Of course, if you mess up, or if you just want to restart, just hit the trash can. But let's say this is exactly where you want it. Hit the checkbox, and a pop-up is going to ask you a question or two about this location. It's important to be as descriptive as possible so we understand all of your answers. Now let's say you want to add a polygon. Click that option from the menu and start drawing your shape. Let's say, for example, that I know this area has some great fishing. Start by drawing your shape around the area you want to highlight. And end by clicking on your first point. When you're done entering places of value, click this dark blue arrow to move on to the next question, which will ask about sources of threat and project ideas. When you are done with each of these, you will reach this sign. If you're sure that you're finished, click Done to submit, or click the back arrow to draw on the map some more. So that's it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact Jessie, and thank you for filling out the questionnaire.